coming down hot. There's the waterfall right there. The second one that I took a picture of earlier. And these rocks are extremely slick, so it's not smart. But there's the other waterfalls right behind me. So, I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know why these tracks are. I thought somebody dragged a freaking lifeguard stand up here, but it's actually a turtle. No tags. I probably should be leaving it alone. So I'm gonna do that. Two bunnies in your front yard. They're just chilling. That's a big boy in the front. Now I understand what the guy meant when he said, "Why is her ball up in a tree?" I don't know how it happened, but it's up in the tree. We got a deer sneaking up on us. I don't know what he's doing. He's doing like the little Egyptian. Oh, there's more. They keep coming. Robin spotted. Okay. So I found this right over here. It's a soccer ball, pretty nice one, not like one somebody just abandoned out here. Right here, those are soccer fields right up there. So maybe somebody kicked it over and never went to come find it, but that doesn't really make sense. But there is this drainage pipe right here that is perfectly soccer ball sized. So I think the more fun and logical theory is that somehow it got into that pipe on the other end, came out this end, and nobody knew where the heck it went. So yeah, more fun. My fun theory has been confirmed, because if they just kicked it over and they thought it landed right in here, they'd come get it. I mean, they look for it and they're like, where the heck did it go? But here's the top of those pipes. It could easily have just slipped in there, gone down over there, and they're like, I swore it was right here, and never ended up finding it and just gave up on it. So yes, it did go into those pipes. That's cool. This is pretty cool. There's a bench full of minis. PGA 12968. One got stolen. Yeah, those are really cool. Somebody tried to steal this one. Oh, the plane just started making noise. I don't know if you can hear what these birds or whatever they are. That is weird. Why is there always a plane at every disc golf course? There was one over there earlier too. But every single disc golf course, I think I've seen a plane at. Also, horses for the vlog. That looks pretty cool with the sun and the hillside over there. So yeah. So I found what the birds were. That's a pretty massive flock. What is that the shape of? Wow. Oh, there's two of them. Three. Probably more. Oh gosh. I thought they were just flying by. What the heck kind of birds are those? And what are they doing?